In this guide, we're going over how you can play Pickaxe Tycoon on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to play this game, what you need to do is collect your first axe or order. Essentially what you do is you run into this first buy one section right here, and it's going to buy a pickaxe that's going to appear on the wall right here. That pickaxe is going to start mining you a bunch of stuff and a bunch of different ores. It's going to start with coal, and essentially what you need to do is collect all this ore that you have. Look over here and make sure this ore multiplier is above 1 and just run in here. It's going to then start depositing some of this ore. We can go ahead and begin collecting this money, and you can use that money to either buy more. For example, we'll go ahead and get 25 more pickaxes. As you can see, that's going to take up this entire thing. Now it's going to be raining different ores just like so. Or what you can also do is use it to unlock chests as well, which will also give you some extra pickaxes. Once you have a bunch of pickaxes though, what you need to do is just hit merge just like so, and it's going to start merging these into pretty good pickaxes. Like now we have a few copper like pickaxes, and we also have a titanium pickaxe, which overall is going to make us even more. The process really is as simple as that though. 1.5x ore multiplier is the best that you can get, so anytime you see that, make sure you go ahead and get that. Let's go ahead and unlock this as well, see what else we get. But that really is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.